Hello everyone, it's Tuna from Perfect Homes, and today I'm going to be showing you this beautiful, unique style home in Mae Rim. Let's go and check it out. And let's start with the modern part house, and now I'm standing at the kitchen. As you can see, it is very big, very spacious, and also high ceiling. Everything looks really nice and comfortable. Over here is for you to cook. You have the refrigerator, oven, microwave, gas stove, and also induction fan. And for the dining area, it is very nice design and everything looks really beautiful. Now let me show you the first bathroom. The first bathroom over here can be guest bathroom. It has the sink, the big mirror, and a toilet. Another great thing about this house is that it has so many big doors which is connected to the garden. And I'm standing at the living area. It is very wide open, very spacious. Everything looks really nice and organized. The total space of this house is 314 square meters and 150 square wa with 4 bathrooms and 3 bedrooms. Now let me show you the first bedroom. So the first bedroom, it is very big. The furniture and the wood looks really nice. It comes with big bed, surrounded by windows where you can look at the view outside. Comes with a big closet, and also comes with its own big bathroom. And for the bathroom, it is quite spacious. Here is the sink, big mirror, toilet, and very big shower space with 2 shower heads. And here is the best part of this house. It has its own separated for the bathroom and bedroom. Over here is the bedroom. Very spacious, high ceiling with the big window where you can look at the view outside. Also the big closet, and of course, like I said, its own bathroom. And the bathroom comes with the sink, big mirror, and of course, toilet and big shower space. And here's the second part of the house. It is Thai rice barn style. It's very nice. Over here is the dining area or relaxed area with friends and family. Also comes with Thai kitchen over here. Looks really nice, surrounded by nature. For the second floor of this Thai style home, it is the private bedroom looking towards the garden and the canal. Inside you have the 2 couches and a bed. And this compound also comes with this amazing swimming pool and a grocery shop also. So we're done for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful home style with modern and Thai style. If you have any questions or if you're interested in this house, please leave us a comment or click at the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!